One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. In this video, man, we found a gun in a stinking storage unit and all kinds of a treasure trove of stuff. Got a hole in my heart and a hole in my line of cars there because the GTA's gone. I'll pop something in here about that. And we are getting this here GTA loaded up. It's been a long time. And I'm actually making a video just really quick because we're loading up the GTA and it's sold. It's actually being sold to somebody in Montana, which is pretty cool. This guy here is, two of his kids are stationed in South Korea. I've had it a while. I really would like to restore it, but... Yep! 28,000 original miles. Nice car. Seats are clean. The one I'm in's tore up a bit. Dash has got split over the years, but having these things in it's pretty nice. The liners for the inside of the T-top. Well, there it is. Actually got it loaded up, just loaded up by hand. And it's a sad day. I'm not happy about selling this. I got all kinds of the other Trans Ams and Firebirds poked around here everywhere. Everywhere you can imagine, there's all kinds of more stuff like that. Pickup trucks and there's all kinds of trucks up here. Whatever you need, whatever you need. But that's the video of the Trans Am going bye-bye. I'm not happy about it, but whatever. Just a real quick video. But going through the storage unit, found a gun. Called the cops. Talked to the cops. Kind of funny interaction. Slow, boring video, whatever. Just a bunch of stuff you find in a storage unit. You want to say goodbye? You want to say goodbye? Goodbye. Wave. Say subscribe. Okay, thanks for watching. Here we go. Woo-ha! See ya. And yes, it's warm. I'm in shorts. Shorts and house shoes. Beautiful day. One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. And yes, I'm a GameStop stockholder. GameStop stockholder? I'll tell you a story about that sometime. But today is taking and cleaning out storage units, and it's the last of Richie's dad's storage units. They're putting the place in escrow and selling it. There's 3 units, and we get to split it up and do a lot of work is what it boils down to. But I just can't not go do this. It could be the last time, especially where you're not having to bid on and buy the storage unit. So who knows what's in there? I know there's a tractor. John Deere. All sorts of cars, all sorts of things. I'll be making more videos soon. I haven't been making as many. I got the airbags on this truck. I got the Y-pipe and the exhaust. And we're doing the tuner. So that's that. We'll clip in more when we get to the storage. Okay, here we are, and Rich's got to get this lock off, and you don't want to damage the clasp or the latch, which have a little almost. You think that's going to work?
I had 2 bigger wrenches, it would. Put 2 of them together and they spread right up.
You got it, dude.
Bingo.
Yay!
Okay, this is like Storage Wars. What is in here? Da 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 da. Oh my God. Who knows what's in here? TV, mower, some kind of a trailer. That's the John Deere tractor.
That's a cool tractor. Hydrostatic chains on it. Piano.
Yeah. So we got to get rid of the piano. That's good.
We can get rid of it right on.
All right, we started pulling stuff out. There's lots of these kind of canisters with toys. We've even got a food. A bunch of food. We've got a Minecraft Lego set. We're trying to. There's a PlayStation 2. There's 2 50 round, I think, clips. There's some 22 shells. There's a whole thing of change, not silver. But look at this operator manual and clay poker chips. What are you up to, Vlad? What you up to, boy? Clay poker chips. Sets. I know. Here's a transfer case and a 4-speed transmission. There's a PTO output. There's this Harbor Freight trailer. Rich, you said it's Harbor Freight, huh?
Yes.
We're already throwing junk away. Got a Craftsman mower. And we're going to get this bad boy out. I was waiting for Rich because it's kind of wedged in there. The piano ain't worth nothing. Probably this thing ain't worth nothing. But we are where we are. Okay, getting the mower on the truck. Sure is nice to have a winch. I tell you that. fact, my winch is starting to truck right now.
Oh.
She's gonna hear that one too.
I know. I told her to see the video.
Ah, there it goes. Okay, we found a Ruger 1022 with a carbon fiber thing. I got the cops on the line right now. Okay, I'm sorry about that.
Oh, that's alright. So what do you got going on today?
We was cleaning out a storage unit and there's just a little 1022 in there. I mean, I don't think there's nothing bad or nothing, but I definitely don't want anything that has been stolen or anything like that, you know.
Yeah, what, is it your storage unit or?
It's unpaid storage that's been sitting for
Gotcha.
like 3 years.
Yeah. Okay.
I was just wondering if you guys can run the serial or something and whatever. I don't know.
Yeah.
It was my first call to you guys.
Yeah. So is it, do you work at the storage units or is it like something you got, like an auction unit or?
The storage units are being sold and
Gotcha.
we're cleaning out the ones that are the leftovers that have been here for like 3 to 5 years depending on the unit.
Gotcha. Yeah, you just want me to make sure it's not stolen for you?
Yes, sir, or any reason you guys would have any interest in it, you know.
Yeah, we
Oh no, I want it. I just don't want any involvement. A 1022 and there's a brick of 22s too, but I don't.
That's probably worth more than the gun right now.
It probably is actually.
Yeah, let me just get a piece of paper.
Yeah. One second. Rich, you think this is the serial number right here, right? I'm pretty sure it is. Yeah. Okay, I'm ready whenever you are. I'm gonna turn my camera on here because my eyes are getting off.
36.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just hang tight for me just 1 second.
And it's a 1022. Oh, I told you that. You know that.
1 second.
Okay.
Yeah, there's no file. It's not on our file, so it's
Okay.
not stolen or otherwise in our system. So.
Okay, cool, man. That's puts a load off my mind, and I'm happy to hear that, sir.
Yeah, have fun with it.
Yeah, for sure. With the bullets, I mean, now I don't have to make a decision to go out and buy them because, man, I'm telling you, you're right. They're out of control. I remember buying a brick for $5 when I was a kid, $4.99, dude.
Yeah, I drove past Sportsman's this morning. There was people lined up out the front door before they opened
To get the bullet. Wow, that's crazy.
Crazy times, but yeah.
Well, cool. Thank you very much. Are you guys pretty? Is it everything going good in town here? I mean, we ain't got you guys ain't got a lot of rioting type or stuff like that going on. I don't hear much. I mean, it's pretty calm around here, right?
Oh, yeah, it's pretty good here.
Ah, cool. Awesome.
Yeah.
Well, thank you, sir. Have a great rest of your weekend.
All right, you too.
Bye.
Good job, Lily.
Okay, so it is not stolen. It is not hot. I don't know where it went. I'm gonna show you what we found here. It's a Ruger. I ain't gonna show you my serial number and let Google get that, but it's a nice little 1022. And what kind of scope is it?
Huh?
What kind of scope was it?
A vortex.
A Vortex scope. But there you go. And we're gonna keep plugging along. Old Xbox 350, 250 gigabyte. We got all this stuff on the trailer here, and a lot more stuff to go on.
He's getting us some more stuff.
This is the trailer. Yeah, I've showed you all this, but getting the mattresses in there and we're down to this. That's a beautiful headboard and bed. Headboard, bedboard. Elements. The couches are junk. That's gonna caught in the piano we're gonna put by the curb. But moving right along. Okay, so we've been loading, we've been throwing trash. That's pretty much empty. There's Vlad. What are you doing, bud? Yay! Yeah! Woo-han! Okay, he's made his appearance. He's in the video. He makes the money. Okay, no, I don't think so. I hope not. As long as you don't push that up against it anymore. And old trunks. old trunks, 2 of them. Lots of stuff, man, lots of stuff. Okay, so we got the trailer on, lifted it on, got it all going. Stuff is getting tied down. Breeder's here. What's up, Breeder? Well, who are you? Hi, Lily. You're not the director anymore, are you? You ain't been around. You ain't been doing your job. What's up? There's a wood stove over there we got too.
That side. Okay, a little more. Don't get your fingers. Don't get your fingers in it. Don't scratch it. Get something over the other side. Okay, Travis, grab one of them couch cushions out of that trailer. Here, right here. Yeah. So here's the plan, I think. I think we should tip it up, set it up, spin the base out over that way, laying on its back. We need to pull this up a little bit, and then spin the base over, stand it up, and then walk it back over this way. Okay.
I think it was on the trailer. You tie it down like I ever did.
Just get it on your. If it's not laying flat, the straps. If it rocks, the straps won't attack. We can try. You know what I mean? That's what I think. This comes off, don't it? Ready? Okay. Set. Oh, there it is. Okay, swing that over. Swing that over. Swing it. Okay.
A little time. 1, 2, grab them all the way.
Travis, he's calling.
Okay, there is a lot of stuff on here. A lot of stuff. We've loaded it pretty well. We're strapped up everywhere. And this thing, how hard did you pull on
Worry
that?
about it falling down over here.
I don't think it's
Can't go far.
I don't think it's going nowhere. But it could, you'll be seeing. All right, so we got a bunch of junk in this one, it looks like.
You know what?
Junk.
What's that stuff? I gotta look at something.
So we've got a bunch of stuff out of this one. Getting it done. This one's mostly junky junk.
Saw blade on the wall right there.
Vlad's getting tired. He's been working really hard.
I know.
Oh, you trying to get to me?
Not for you.
Oh.
People collect them, they paint